Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you what's new in the Canva mobile app. Canva has rolled out some cool updates that make designing on your phone easier and more fun. Let's jump in. New photo editing tools. First up, Canva has added new photo editing tools. Now, you can adjust brightness, contrast, and colors right on your phone. Why it's great? You can quickly make your photos look amazing before sharing them on social media, all from your mobile device. Magic Resize. Next is the Magic Resize feature, now available on mobile. What it does: with just one tap, you can resize your design for different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest. Why it's great? This saves you time, letting you create multiple versions of your design in seconds. Real-time collaboration. Another cool update is real-time collaboration. What it does: you and your team can now work on the same design at the same time, even from your phones. Why it's great? Perfect for working together when you're not in the same place, making teamwork easier and faster. Better offline mode. Canva's offline mode has also improved. What it does: now you can work on your designs even when you don't have internet, and it will sync once you're back online. Why it's great? This is perfect for designing while traveling or in areas with poor internet. New templates and elements. Finally, Canva has added new templates and elements. What it does: there are fresh templates and fun elements like stickers and animations, all designed for mobile use. Why it's great? These make it easier to create eye-catching designs quickly on your phone. And that's a quick look at what's new in the Canva mobile app. If you haven't tried these updates yet, give them a go and let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more easy design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.